This is a normal looking sofa here. It looks okay, but there's something missing, right? Maybe it's a little boring as well. So can we do something about it? Okay, let's do a Thanos snap. Hey, that looks cool. I mean, I have the whole social media on my sofa, right? So if you like what you're seeing, then let's get started. So let's talk about these cushion covers now. So if you're bored of your sofa set or your bed, you can get some new lease of life for them. These cushions are quite big. They are 16 by 16 inches or 40 by 40 centimeters in size. The fillers come separately, so I bought these cushion covers online. This thing can really make your sofa or your drawing room come live. And also they can be used on bed or divan or any other piece of furniture you would like to keep it on. And they are reasonably priced as well. So I got this entire set of 5, that is the cushion covers, not the fillers, for 350 bucks, and that includes the shipping charges. And it can be a great gift idea as well. So you can gift it to your loved ones or to your friends, family, anyone, and they will definitely appreciate it. So talking about the cushion cover itself, I have taken out the filler as of now. It is jute in the front. The print looks quite good. At the back you have a netty kind of material. It's not cotton at all. It looks like nylon or polyester. This is the zipper that we have here. And this thing is not meant to wrestle you. It's not very high quality. The thickness of the cloth can be seen. You can see my hand here. So it's not very thick. And I would not recommend you to keep on opening this and closing this for a long time. So that would not be a good idea, because this might, if you put too much strength on it, it might tear in the long run. So here there's no problem, but once the filler is inside, then I would not recommend you to open this again and again. There is some sort of padding here given, some sort of thin padding given here. So that is there for the front, so that there is no transparency here. Simply I would say that put in the filler, shut it, forget it. I got these fillers from the market. I did not buy them online. Now the reason I did not buy the fillers online is because I could not find good reviews for any fillers online. So I decided to buy them from the market, and I got them around 130 each. If you have some fillers lying around that are 16 by 16 in size, then you can go ahead and use those, or you can go ahead and buy it from the market. And nevertheless, I'll just put this again and just show you how I'll close it or pack it. So there are two ways. You can either fold the filler and then put it, or you can go ahead and just put it like I am putting it, because I'm just going to show you how it fits in. And then I just grabbed it and just tried to put this, wrap it around, and there's how it goes. Now this thing is quite good fitting, so it's a tight fitting here. So let's now squeeze this a little and put the zipper back in place. So I'm putting it carefully. As I mentioned, don't put too much force on it, do it gently. You can do it a couple of times if you do it gently, but these are more for show, I would say. These cushion covers are not meant for rough use, and definitely no cushion fights. Naughty, naughty. Now let's get back to the video. So friends, I would definitely recommend that you go for them. They are reasonably priced. I recommend you to go for at least 16 by 16. Don't go for the 12 by 12 because they will look very small. You can go ahead and change them on a regular basis. Just after a few months, just throw them and get a new pair. They're pretty reasonable enough. You can reuse the fillers, of course, so you don't need to change the fillers again and again. I have bought these 5 as I'm already bitten by the social media bug. So if you are also like me, then you can go ahead and go for these. I'll leave a link for them, so you can go ahead and buy a set of 5 that I have got here. I'll also leave a link for you wherein you can go ahead and check out the different designs that are available. There's a lot of variety. This is one good gift idea that you can gift yourself or to anyone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video, and see you soon in the next video.